This critter right here is known as Panthera spelaea, also known as the Eurasian cave lion, the European cave lion, the Beringian lion, or the steppe lion. It is an extinct Panthera species that lived throughout Eurasia and North America during the Pleistocene period, some 700,000 to 13,000 years ago. The first modern remains described, consisting of a skull and some arm bones, were recovered from a cave in southern Germany and were dubbed Felis spelaea by George August Goldfuss in 1810. Later authors would come to conclude that it instead represented a subspecies of modern lion, Panthera leo. However, recent genomic studies have now re-established the European cave lion as a distinct species in its own right, although more closely related to modern lions than any other big cat. Standing around 3.6 to 4.9 feet, or 1.1 to 1.4 meters tall at the shoulder, and 6.6 to 9.5 feet, or 2 to 2.9 meters in length, and weighing 350 to 1,100 pounds, or 160 to 500 kilograms, P. spelaea was one of the largest cats to ever live, yet smaller than other Ice Age felines, such as the larger species of Smilodon and the American lion P. atrox. Panthera spelaea had a relatively longer and narrower muzzle compared to that of extant lions. Additionally, the cave lion had a very thick and dense undercoat comprised of closed and compressed yellowish to white wavy downy hair, with a smaller mass of darker colored guard hairs to insulate it from the cold. Carvings and cave paintings of cave lions, such as the ones in La Suxe and Chavette Cave in France, depict the animals as having gray, orange, and yellow coats, with males noticeably lacking manes. In life, P. spelaea inhabited the forested and mountainous regions of the mammoth steppe, being one of the main apex predators alongside gray wolves, Homotherium, cave hyenas, and brown bears. Here they would have lived in small prides, primarily feeding upon caribou, Irish elk, wisent, and ibex, as well as other alpine herbivores, and even regularly preying upon hibernating cave bears and young mammoths.